right in the lake.
Others are moving.
Let's get this car in and hook up a Tacoma. Channel 70. Yeah. And going back to radio. Yeah.
WRX 5533, radio check, channel 70.
Ready.
Let's go ahead and get permission. Let's get permission from mechanical too to enter the yard too.
I'll get permission from them? Okay. All right. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's get us in. One's in the back of the kitchen car.
Oh, okay.
Just go through here. Just go through here. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. You ready? Here we go.
This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation coming to you from home base. Just wanted to say we're at 1,744 on the GoFundMe. Let's keep growing up. I've contributed some funds that I've had. So let's keep going. We have the donation box at Pete's Auto Care. We'll still keep in watch on the Silver Star and Redwood Empire. But let's try to get the J. Murray here before Railroad Days, because we need the car here, and there is a possibility that the race is coming. So let's get ready for that. It's going to be fun. And then over on Twitch, tomorrow, we got a Lego building stream. So make sure to tune in on Twitch for that. Let's raise funds. Let's get the J. Murray home for Railroad Days before any other events. Let's reach our goal. We got to still get the trucks recertified and an Amtrak certified. Get that ready to go. Get that done. The 10K for that one. Let's raise the funds so that way we can buy the car. Get her ready to move behind Amtrak and UP, because we still got to pay for those moves. So let's keep going. We got to get all these funds raised here pretty quickly, because we're running out of time. So this is urgent emergency for funds. So let's keep going, guys. We're doing good. Let's keep up this goal, and let's keep going, because if we can keep going, we can get the car here faster. It will be open for tours for Railroad Days if we can get the cars here. So we need all the funds we can get. We need to reach the 700K or 7,000. And let's try to see if we can meet that goal. If we can go over that goal, let's do it. I think we can do it, guys. We need all the funds we can get. Let's just keep going. We're doing good, guys. And we need, if people can help put out the word, maybe do a Railfan an update announcement. Great, let's do it. Let's get the word out. We need to get it out anyways, because it's that way it gives us time to get up there, go get the car certified, get it done, and get ready to move. Probably by the summer. We can even get it home by the summer if we wanted to. If we had just had the funds to get it recertified, trucks ready to go, and everything. Because without the funds, we can't get all this projects done. We are so far behind to getting the projects done. And we also have some new merch on the Bonfire store. Yes, you heard me right. New merch. Just released. We got the t-shirts now that has the name of the company up front. We got Silver Iris, Acoma, Redwood. We got everything now on the Bonfire shirt. We even have some DNS stuff. We have everything you would want on Bonfire. We did lose a lot of stuff on the Spring store because they're out of stock, but we still have a lot of stuff on our store. So check those out when you can. And buy, because we got a sale going on. If you on Spring Store, if you buy merch, you can get 40% off on your order if you use Easter1 as your promo code in the promo code section. You can get 40% off of your order and look stylish, and you'll be able to have it. And if you want it signed by me and my team that are going to be at Railroad Days, buy it now. Save it till September, the end of September. Usually, like it usually is. And then we'll sign it. And tours for the cars are $10 per person. Seniors, kids, I guess 5 and down, are free. Military, free. And there's only going to be a certain amount of times we do tours. On that Saturday, whenever the Railroad Days is in September, we're going to have a 9:30, possibly, 1:30, 3:30 on Saturday. And then Sunday, we're only going to do it once on Sunday. So the tour on Sunday will be at 11, where you'll be able to come look at the cars in person if we have them available. Rail Runner cars may be off the table for right now. I don't know. We're just waiting to hear back from Rail Runner to see if we can get those cars. If we can, great, we have them. And the other thing is, once we start doing the moves, guys, getting ready to move, we're going to get a 5-minute warning to let us know to clear everyone out of the cars so we can close up the doors and get going and ready to move back and forth. So, let's raise the funds, guys. Let's do it. This is going to be the best year we can do. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation is about to celebrate 4 years this June. So, let's raise the funds. We're going to even do something for Railroad Days to celebrate the 4-year anniversary of Extreme Railfan's big form. And if you haven't yet, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation will be in Santa Fe in May and September. And it's only 3 days in September. So, 10th, 11th, 12th, and we leave the 13th. So if you want to do the Sunset Serenade with us in the Yakima, buy your tickets now while you can. If you're a New Mexico resident, 10% off. We look forward to having you with us. Come ride with us. It's a Sunset Serenade. And if you want to come meet me, I'll be happy to meet with you guys and talk to the fans out there. And let's do this, guys. Let's do it. Let's make this happen, guys. Come on. We need to raise the funds. We're getting down on crunch time here, guys. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO out. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base of the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation headquarters. As some of you may know, a lot of stuff was removed from the spring store because it's out of stock because they're having problems with it. There is some merch still in the store. If you haven't bought your merch, get it now while you still can. Because once they're out, everything's going to get pulled from the spring store. We still have a lot of merch on the Bonfire store, and to top that off, we have a 40th anniversary, or 4-year anniversary, my bad, shirt that we have just released, a limited time only. Or we may leave it up permanently, we don't know. But 4-year anniversary is coming up, June 24th of this year. So get your 4-year anniversary shirt. We got it on the Bonfire store, come take a look. Make sure to donate to the GoFundMe because we got more funds there now, as you can see. We're doing good, but now we need more. Let's keep going, guys, because if we can get the Jane Marie here by Railroad Days, that will be our first car in 4 years. And it will be right after the anniversary. We're going to even celebrate it at Railroad Days. So if you want to get stuff signed at Railroad Days for New Mexico Heritage Railroad Days, make sure to buy your merch now, and then we'll sign it at the booth. And we may even have some rail cars open for business for tours. And we may even have 2 rail runner cars on site with us. Possibly the Iris, possibly the J. Marie if we can get the funds here. Make sure to donate today because all the money you donate goes right to the car. We need all the funds we can get to get the car here quickly and get everything, the COTS up to date. We gotta get it Amtrak certified. We gotta do we gotta get it planned, the moves planned and everything. So let's raise the fund, guys. Because this is important to go behind 29, 26. And we need cars here because we don't own any here. We're basically a business that are trying to save rail cars to run behind 2926, and we may have some more upcoming announcements coming soon. So if you donate now, we might be able to get more out there so we can get the cars that we need. And maybe it'd be worth it. Because we are actually basically busting our butts for you guys to get these rail cars here. Because you asked on 2926, this video, you want cars, you wonder if excursions are going to happen. Well, once we get the cars, then we can start getting them going. Because we have a West Coast tour planned. And eventually, East Coast. The West Coast tour is going to end in Utah, and then we just come directly home in time for Railroad Days. And whatever else events we have. Donate today so that way we can make our goal, and who knows, maybe we'll have eventual rides on the cars behind Amtrak. Who knows? If you don't donate, you can't do it. And knowing the fans out there that want to see rail cars behind 2926, this is specifically for you guys. Either donate or miss out on the great stuff. Because if you want to miss out on the great stuff, then that's on you, not us. So I think donate to the GoFundMe link down below in the description when this video is uploaded. And let's do it, guys. You want the cars? We're willing to go get them. We know where they are. So let's donate, raise the funds, let's do it, guys. And Transcontinental Railfan, if you watch this, let's get the GoFundMe promoted on your next Railfan and Update announcements.
This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from headquarters of the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation headquarters. So we need your help. As you can see down below, if you look down at the GoFundMe thing, we need help with that. The two GoFundMes. We also have Factor 75. If you haven't joined yet, now it's the time. Use my link. They have a lot of good food, and we need all the help we can get. If we can get funds from this, it will help us not only get funds, but it will help us make some money for the J. Marie. So we need all the help we can get. Let me get you the pics for the what we need. As you can see, here's all the ready-made meals that they have available. Lunch, maybe dinner-ish. At drinks, they have everything you can think of. And let's see what else they have here. There's the drinks. Ooh, they have snack stuff. They have pancakes, eggs, everything you can think of. Oatmeal, kind of a thing. Here's their protein shakes. Ooh, they even have coffee there if you like coffee. Here's some dinner items a little bit. Desserts. Smoothies. They have everything you need. Look at that. More desserts, mac and cheese, cookies. You name it, they have it. Oh, look at all that. That's all good food. Dinners, lunches, breakfast, everything. You think of it, you can think of it, and there you go. They have it there for you. So come and support Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation today. Links will be in the description down below. We need all the help we can get to get the J. Marie here before Railroad Days this year. So let's do it. We'll see you when we get the funds. This is Extreme Railfan, excuse me, Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you for an update number 2. Some of you were asking what was Redwood Empire. It's an old observation Santa Fe car. That was our first rail car we tried to go for. But unfortunately it failed. Someone got it before us, so we couldn't get it. So we moved on to other cars. Couldn't get those. They weren't in good condition. But we're basically, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation is based off the rail car itself. So that's how we got the name EREC. We also have some new merch on Bonfire. Check that out. So let's get the Jane Marie home in time. We are keeping watch on Redwood and Silver Star just to see how well they do. And if you're the owners of the car and you want it donated to us, we'll be happy to take donations. Just reach out to me either on Facebook, Instagram, or email. But I thought maybe you would like an update. Yeah, we're trying to raise funds for Jane Marie. We're climbing up there slowly, but at least we're doing good. But yeah, we have donation boxes, or well, a donation box here, and it's doing pretty well. We are planning to try to bring the Jane Marie home, but we have another surprise coming. There's possibly going to be a West Coast tour right after we leave Arizona. And then we'll be back in time for Railroad Days, of course, but we're going to try to do the West Coast first before we come home for Railroad Days. So, come support us. Check out the GoFundMe. Check out our merch. We got everything you need. And make sure to donate to the GoFundMe today. Or the donation box. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO Jonathan Cordova coming to you from home base of the EREC. I pulled the Jane Marie merch down, but if you come to Railroad Days, we'll have this stuff officially there at the booth. And we're going to have rail runner cars available for tours if everything goes as planned. Possibly the Silver Iris. Sky Railways, if you're watching, please release the Silver Iris to us so we can use it for Railroad Days. Because since the rail runner cars are not powered, we need power. So we need the Silver Iris to use for power. So please let it go. If you watch this stuff, please let us use it. Fundraisers are still going on for the Jane Marie. If you buy the merch, it goes right to the GoFundMe Jane Marie account. We got to do we're going to update some stuff. We got to pay our the dues that is due, the 109. So we need to put more money in the account to replace the 109 once we pay for the stuff, the filing. We have the donation boxes, so if you want to donate in person, we have the donation box, one at Pete's Auto Care here in Albuquerque. So make sure, if you're here in the Albuquerque area and you want to donate, just go drop it off there, and I'll check the box starting in May. We need to still raise the funds for the Jane Marie, which we're slowly trying to. We want to try to get here for Railroad Days if we can, but we may not be able to if you don't donate, please. We need all the help we can get here. Donations are important. Links will be in the description down below once this is uploaded. This is it, guys. We're on crunch time, and we're in an emergency here to try to get these funds here secured faster than you think. Yes, people like this stuff. That's great. But not just like donate or buy a piece of our merch. We got merch on both stores. We got Spring Store. We got Bonfire. We got all the good stuff, and we even have a 4-year anniversary shirt coming out that's released. Come and get that. We're working hard here to try to get rail cars here behind 2926 for September and whatever other events. Even in October, we could have some rail cars out for tours. go to Sky Railways even. We can do everything. We just need your donations. Donate to us. We're a non-profit. All our money goes back to the car. We're even going to have tips on locations, so that way you can donate there. Donation boxes will be even in the rail runner cars, even if we can get them. Let's help us get the Jane Marie home by this August. And what I may do is I may have certain people ride with me in the Jane Marie and the Silver Iris. So let's do it, guys. I'm pushing this full throttle. Donate, donate, donate. Just don't like. Donate. And if Transcontinental Railfan can promote the weekend show for one of the Railfans and update announcements, then that'd be helpful. We've been pushing it all over on the Facebook group, the Santa Fe 2926, 3051, 5030, and 1129 group, which we will eventually redo. We're going to change the name of the group and the picture, so let's get this raised, and then we can get the Jane Marie on there. And I'll release the merch. Let's do it, guys. You got a lot of work ahead of you guys to donate. Let's raise the 730K. We'll get the car here faster if you donate. Because without you, we can't do this. And we are still watching Redwood and Silver Star, just to see what the owners are going to do. And if you have rail cars of your own that you're not using, you would like to donate, please reach out to me on either Facebook, Instagram, email, extremerailfan@gmail.com. That's how you can reach me for if you have private rail cars that you're not using. And you can even message me on YouTube in the comment section. Or even on the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation group page or group account on there. You can get me on any forms of media. So let's raise the funds. Let's get the cars home in time. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO out. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation coming to you from home base. As you can see on the screen here, we're trying to raise funds for the Jane Marie so we can put it behind 2926 for Railroad Days event, like you're seeing on the screen. Make sure to scan the QR code and donate today. Look at where we're at. We're at 1,730 out of the 730K. Let's keep going. We're already at 57 donations, so let's raise the funds. We need it all as much as we can, because in that way we can have a rail car. We're going to try to get rail runner cars 1001 and 1006. So let's hope we can get those for road days, because we will have them available for tours if we can get them. Rail runner, if you are watching this, please hurry up and give us the authorization to get the 2 cars, and even throw the cab car in if you can. If you're not using one that you have available that's probably out running, take that one out of service, turn it around on a Y, make it face backwards for like Las Vegas and stuff. That way we have both events, September and October. We need cars here, because we're not getting the Jane Marie here a lot faster than we thought. Probably won't have until after October or most of December. So let's go, guys. It's fun. Let's get those rolling cars. Jane Marie might be a tool car. That's coming. Need it. Some rail cars coming behind in 2926. We'll be on main line number 3, backing out. So let's do it. Without you, without supporting this, we can't do it. But with your support, we will do it. With our merch, and everything ready to go. And we will have merch for road days, so check it out. Support today. Let's do it. Donate to the GoFundMe today. Scan the QR code.
So, let me see here. You guys might be wondering what the Jamboree looks like. So here we go. There's the Jamboree, guys. If you're curious what it looks like, that's what it looks like. Come support us. We need all the help we can get. The car is basically ready to go, as you can see on the screen. All we need to do is get the truck, the COTS, up to date, get it Amtrak certified again, and move it via UP and BNSF. Or not BNSF, Amtrak. Because we're going to put it in Railfan Yard. It's our plan. So, donate today. Let's do it. Happy Easter to everyone. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO. Off for the rest of the month, probably. But stay tuned. We got live streams coming up on Twitch and possibly YouTube with some train stuff. So, get ready.
This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO Jonathan Cordova coming again. The last video I deleted, so yeah. So here's some updates for you. We're still working with Railrunner to get 2 of the Railrunner cars. We still have the GoFundMe running for the Jamboree, so let's see if we can raise the funds. We are keeping watch on the Silver Star, and we also are keeping watch on Redwood Empire. So if you know anyone in like a museum or anything, say that are wanting to donate or remove or get rid of rail cars, then we'll be happy to meet with you, talk to you to see. We'll either have it donated or we'll try to buy it from you guys. And sorry about the camera, it just stopped working. One more time, there we go. Let's see if it works. But yeah, there we go, we're on. So yeah, if you haven't donated to the GoFundMe, make sure to donate today. We got our donation box here at Pete's Auto Care, so if you want to donate in person, go for it. And if you if you know a museum that's looking for or getting rid of rail cars, please reach out to us. You can reach out to us on our social medias. And anyone else that is not interested in rail cars and you have some just sitting around, we'll be happy to come take a look at it, see what you have to offer, and we'll see if we go with the deal or not. So hopefully we can raise the funds quickly for Railroad Days. And unfortunately, the Spring Store's Jamboree merch never was able to get released. Why, I don't know. But we have the Jamboree stuff on the Spring Store, or Bonfire. So come check that out there. And come buy your merch from there. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO Jonathan Cordova coming to you from Operation Home Base for the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation office. It looks like we may be delaying getting the Jamboree here until October now of this year. So our goal is to try to get the car certified by August. September, we'll have another car at Railroad Days to fill in until we can get the Jamboree. But we got to really pull the funds, guys. We're not even where we need to be yet. We're still trying. So we have to use a lot of the funds to get me out there to go see the car in the first place. So all funds used from the GoFundMe went to paying for the hotel, airfare, and travel to get to the car. So you need to help us raise our goal of $30K for right now, and then eventually down the road. The $30K is going to go to help get it Amtrak certified and the truck certified, and then $300K will be to buy the car and bring it home. And then we'll need an additional $15K behind UP. Amtrak is $15K, but we may be able to get it waived. So if you haven't contributed yet, link to the GoFundMe and our merch store is down. Will be in the description down below. We have added some new things over the years to the store. And if you donate now, faster we get the car here, the faster I can release the new merch stuff that we have ready to go. I'm not going to say what we have, but if you can help us with the funds and reach our goal, then what I'll do is once we get the car under our ownership, I will release the new merch. I'm actually wearing the new piece of merch right now, but I can't show it because of reasons. But let's raise the funds, let's do it, and let's make sure 2025 is the year we bring Jane Marie home. Let's do it, guys. We need all the help we can get. I know donations have slowed down, but if you donate now, you'll get half off your ticket. $50 to $100 will get you a spike with your name on it or a plaque, and it's still going to be half off for your ticket, but I may waive the fees for you for the $50 and up. Anything lower than that, you'll basically get half off. So let's raise the funds here quickly, and let's get the car home. Thank you from the Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation. Signing off. This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you again for a plea to help at least get us to $30K. We're already getting there. We're moving on. We got money coming for the car, and it's coming fast, so at least we're trying, but we're not quite to goal, and I don't think this is the year we will get Jane Marie home unless we get the funds now. Either donate or be left out and no excursion runs. If you donate a certain amount to the GoFundMe, it will enable you to come in September to join us up in Santa Fe for the week. The only thing you would have to do is book your own hotel room and meals. But otherwise, you would be welcome to come up with us. We'll be up there for a week. You'll be able to ride with us for Sky Railways too. So make sure you donate today to the GoFundMe. Buy some merch. We have some new ones coming up soon, so be ready for that. But if you haven't donated, now is the time to donate. The links will be down below in this description down below. Please help support us. Let's get people out there to help us advertise it. That way we can raise the funds. We're already at 1,658 on the goal so far. We're doing good, but let's keep it up. Maybe we'll be able to pull it off if we keep donating, because we're going to need all the help we can get. And I challenge all the big people, the people that have all the money, to donate. I even challenge Buffett to join us too, to help. And all the big brass like over at Microsoft and everyone else. So let's do it.